Physics Blender. I love 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 Physics Blender. Subscribe for more videos.
Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Blender e-learning platform. Today we are checking your answers. You have quiz about thin converging lens, paper 1 for core and extended candidates. Okay, let's start by question 1. We have here an object is placed at 20 centimeters in front of a thin converging lens, and we have a graph grid here, and we have a scale drawing which is mentioned. We have a scale. Which row gives the focal length of the lens and the distance of the image from the lens? Okay. Let's first indicate the focus. How do you know the focus in this question? The focal point. You know that when rays are parallel to the principal axis, what happens? The ray will refract through the focus. Okay, so the point where this ray is refracted, so you can indicate this point as the focal point. Okay, the focal length is the distance from the optical center to the focus. So this point is the optical center, and this point is the focus. The distance between them is considered as focal length. Okay, so you have one square is 5 centimeters, so it's not one complete square, so this distance is only 4 centimeters. Is it clear? Okay, back to our image. The image here is very small, so this image, okay, the distance between the image and the lens, it's one complete square. Okay, so you have here this distance from the optical center. Okay, I will just draw construction line here from the center and the location of the image. So it's here one complete square, so it's 5 centimeters. Is it clear? Okay, so the answer for this question is A. Let's move to question 2. Question 2 is very important because we are again, one more time, we are guys, I would like to go back to question 1, please. Okay, question 1, if the question is asking you about the distance between the object and the lens, how you can measure or how can you calculate this distance? The distance between the object and the lens, how many squares do we have here? If you count the squares, so you have 1, 2, 3 to the center here, 4 complete squares. But you have scale, so the actual distance here will be 4 times 5 centimeters, so it's 20 centimeters. Is it clear? Okay, back to question 2. Okay, question 2, we have here a converging lens in a camera is used to make an image on a film. At which labeled point could a large object be placed so the image will be smaller? The image will be smaller, it means you have to locate, or the position of the object should be far away from the lens. As we said earlier, as we move the object towards the lens, what happens? Images get larger. So I will write it again here as the object moves towards the lens, the image becomes bigger and further away. Is it clear? Okay, so here to obtain smaller image, again you have to choose A, which is far away from the lens.
Subscribe for more videos. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor.